Hi students, next example, that is oxidation of alcohols. Oxidation of alcohols with different reagents. Students, already we discussed in the previous video, already completed, that is KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7 and copper also completed. Now next application is that is PCC. Next application is that is PCC. Student, what is the PCC? PCC means what, student? That is pyridium chlorochromate. That is pyridium chlorochromate. Pyridium chlorochromate. This is very most important reagent. PCC, that means pyridium chlorochromate. It is a yellow orange solution. It is a yellow orange. It is a yellow orange solution. So what is the formula, student? That is PCC formula, that is yellow orange salt. Formula is that is C5H5 NH plus and CrO3 Cl. This is minus. This is the pyridium chlorochromate, student. That is pyridium chlorochromate. So it is a yellow orange salt, student. Yellow orange solution. So what is the formula? What is the structure, student? That is pyridium chlorochromate, student. That is pyridium chromium oxide, CrO3 with hydrochloric acid. These all are 1:1 ratio, student. One is pyridine, another one is chromium oxide, another one is CrO3, that is chromium oxide, CrO3, and with hydrochloric acid. All are 1:1 ratio, student. This is the PCC, that is pyridium chlorochromate. It is also act as a dehydrogenating, student. It is also act as a dehydrogenating, student. It is also act as a dehydrogenating agent. So PCC act as dehydrogenating agent. Dehydrogenating agent, that means removal of hydrogen. You remember, so removal of hydrogen. So PCC act as a moderative oxidizer. You remember, so PCC act as a PCC is a moderate oxidizer. You remember, so not strong oxidizer. It is a moderate oxidizer. You remember, so PCC is a moderate oxidizer. It can oxidize, you remember, so it can oxidize primary alcohols. It can oxidize, that is primary alcohols. Primary alcohols, it gives aldehydes. It gives aldehydes. And second one, that is secondary alcohol also. Secondary alcohols also oxidized. PCC can oxidize primary alcohols to give aldehydes. PCC can oxidize secondary alcohol. The secondary alcohols also oxidize to give ketones. And PCC cannot oxidize tertiary alcohols. Cannot oxidize tertiary alcohol. You remember, tertiary alcohols, no effect. This is very most important. So this is the simple trick for PCC, student. PCC act as a dehydrogenating agent. PCC is a moderate oxidizer. This primary, when PCC reaction with primary alcohol, when primary alcohols oxidation with PCC, what happens? That is aldehyde will be formed. When secondary alcohols and oxidation with PCC, what happens? That is ketones will be formed. When tertiary alcohols oxidation with PCC, what happens? That is no effect. PCC cannot oxidize with tertiary alcohol. This is a simple trick, student. This is simple trick for oxidizing agents of PCC, oxidation of PCC, oxidizing agent of PCC, student. So now example for primary alcohol example, that is when take the CH3 CH2OH, when primary alcohols on oxidation with PCC, pyridium chlorochromate, what happens? That is aldehyde will be formed, that is CH3 CHO plus H2. Here hydrogen is elimination. Now take the, that means removal of 2 hydrogen. Next second one, student, that is secondary alcoholic example, student, that is CH3 then CH then OH. This is secondary alcohol. When secondary alcohols oxidation with PCC, what happens? That is, this is called secondary alcohol example, that is 2-propanol. 2-propanol oxidation with PCC to form acetone will be formed. CH3CO CH3 will be formed plus hydrogen is elimination. This is a secondary example, student. For tertiary examples, tertiary alcohol example, that is tertiary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohols. When tertiary butyl alcohols oxidation with PCC, what happens? That is no effect. No effect. This is a simple trick, student. PCC, pyridium chlorochromate, it is a moderate oxidizer. It can oxidize the primary alcohol. Primary alcohol oxidation to give aldehyde, secondary alcohol oxidation to give ketones. Tertiary alcohols cannot oxidize with PCC. This is a simple trick. PCC cannot oxidize tertiary alcohols. Why? Because of this carbon do not contain hydrogen, so that's why cannot oxidize. Secondary carbon one hydrogen is there, so it is easily oxidized. This is a simple trick for PCC, student. PCC is a moderate oxidizer, not strong oxidizer. This is a simple trick, student. Now second reagent, student, that is very most important reagent, student, that is Jones reagent, student. Second reagent is that is Jones reagent. Jones reagent. It is also act as a moderative reagent, student. It is also act as a moderative reagent, student. What are the reagents, student? That is CrO3 chromium oxide with dilute H2SO4, dilute H2SO4 plus in aqueous acetone, CH3COCH3. This is called Jones reagent, student. Jones reagent is, what is the Jones reagent, student? CrO3, that is chromium oxide with dilute H2SO4 plus aqueous acetone, aqueous means acetone. Or, and one more formula, student, we can write like this: H2Cr2O7 in aqueous acetone, CH3COCH3. We can write like this also. These both are same. This is the Jones reagent. What is the role of Jones reagent? This Jones reagent also act as a moderating reagent, moderative oxidizer. It is also act as a moderative oxidizer. It can oxidize, you remember, student, it can oxidize, that is primary alcohol, student. It can oxidize to primary alcohols. It can oxidize primary alcohols. Primary alcohols on oxidation to give aldehyde, Then this aldehyde again oxidation with Jones reagent. Remember, student, it is very most important, student. Jones reagent can oxidize to primary alcohols. This primary alcohol on oxidation primary alcohols on oxidation with Jones reagent to give aldehydes. This aldehydes again react with Jones reagent to give acid. Student, it is very most important, student. Jones reagent is a moderate oxidizer. It can oxidize to primary alcohols and secondary alcohols. Primary alcohols oxidation with Jones reagent to give aldehyde. Aldehydes again oxidation to give acid. This is the very most important, student. Jones reagent can oxidize primary alcohol oxidation to give aldehyde again oxidation to give acid. But and secondary alcohols, Jones reagent can oxidize secondary alcohols. Jones reagent can oxidize secondary alcohols on oxidation with Jones reagent to give what happens, that is ketones will be formed. This is a simple trick, student. Now third one, student, that is tertiary alcohols. Oxidation with Jones reagent, what happens, that is no effect. This is the simple trick, student. So this Jones reagent also act as a dehydrogenating agent. Dehydrogenating agent means what, student? Removal of hydrogen. So this Jones reagent, that is chromium oxide with dilute H2SO4 plus aqueous acetone. This is a Jones reagent, student. This Jones reagents can oxidize to primary alcohol. These primary alcohols to give aldehydes to give acid. But secondary alcohols, this Jones reagent can oxidize secondary alcohols also. Secondary alcohols on oxidation with Jones reagent to give ketones. But this Jones reagent cannot oxidize tertiary alcohols. What happens? There is no effect. You remember, student, when tertiary alcohols oxidation with Jones reagents, what happens? There is no effect. This is the simple trick, student. These are the important moderate oxidizers, student. That is PCC, pyridium chlorochromate, and Jones reagent. These both are moderate oxidizer. These both reagents can oxidize, that is primary alcohol and secondary alcohols. These both reagents are playing same function. These both reagents are playing same role in alcohols. This is a simple trick student. If you like my video, please click on like, and thanks for watching student. If you like my video, please click on like. Please don't forget, please click on like. Thank you.